Email is the single most reliable way to sell digital products. On average, every dollar you spend on email brings back 30 to 40. No other channel does that. That's why today I'll show you exactly how to set up email automation for your digital products, step by step using two beginner-friendly tools, MailerLite and Beehiiv. Let's start right away with Step 1. Understand automation. Automation is basically your way of being everywhere without actually being everywhere. Instead of manually sending an ebook or copy-pasting the same welcome note 20 times a week, automation handles it all for you. Someone signs up for your free guide, they get it instantly. A new customer buys your template, delivery happens automatically. A subscriber clicks your product link but doesn't buy, they get a gentle nudge later. All of this happens while you're working on your next product, or not working at all. But here's the important part. Automation only works if the content is good. If your lead magnet is weak or your emails have no value, no amount of fancy workflows will save you. Think of automation as an amplifier. It makes good content work harder and faster, but it can't fix bad content. Keep that in mind as we move forward. Step 2. Choose your platform. MailerLite and Beehiiv both make automation easy, but they're designed for different priorities. MailerLite handles selling and delivering digital products within the same tool, which includes email. You can create a product, process payments through Stripe, and deliver the file directly. It has a drag-and-drop editor, templates, and advanced triggers like cart abandonment. It even has an AI subject line generator. The free plan covers up to 500 subscribers, and paid plans start at around $10 per month. Beehiiv is focused on growth and monetization for newsletters. It has a visual automation builder too, but the real draw is its growth tools, referral programs, boosts, paid subscriptions, and an ad network. It also has AI built in for editing and content polishing. It integrates with other tools through its API, so you can connect it to Gumroad, Stripe, or your CRM. Beehiiv's free plan supports up to 2,500 subscribers, but if you want advanced automations, you'll need the Grow plan from around $43 per month. So if you're mainly selling digital products directly, MailerLite is usually simpler. If you're trying to grow a large audience and monetize through multiple channels, Beehiiv is stronger. Step 3. Set up your core automation. In MailerLite, the first step is your list. Go to subscribers. Create a group called something like ebook sign up, then create a sign up form that adds people to that group. That's your entry point. Now head to automations, click new automation, and set the trigger to when subscriber joins group. Choose your ebook group. That's the start of your workflow. In Beehiiv, you go to automations, click new automation, and set the trigger to signed up. That means whenever someone signs up to your newsletter, they automatically enter this flow. If you want to tie it to a specific lead magnet, you can set up a dedicated form and tag those signups differently. Next, let's deliver the product. MailerLite makes this dead simple. Go to products, click create product, and fill in the name, description, and price. For delivery, you can upload a PDF, ZIP, or link to an external URL. MailerLite will handle hosting if you upload directly. Then, in your automation, after the trigger, add a send email step. Write your welcome email, thank them for signing up, and attach or link the product. Done. Beehiiv doesn't host products directly. You'll need an external checkout tool like Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy. Once someone buys, connect it to Beehiiv using the API or Zapier. That way, buyers are added to a customer's segment. Then you can set up an automation triggered by joining that segment, which sends your delivery email with the download link. It's one extra step, but it works well once set up. Step 4. Build the welcome sequence. In MailerLite, after your delivery email, add a delay of 1 day. Then send a second email. Make it practical. Something like 3 quick ways to get more from the guide you just downloaded. Add another delay of 1 or 2 days, then send a third email with either a case study, a success story, or a preview of your paid product. This 3-email sequence builds trust and gets people used to opening your emails. In Beehiiv, it's the same flow. First email, welcome and deliver the lead magnet. Second email, a practical tip. Third email, more value or a soft pitch. Beehiiv's editor makes it easy to design simple emails that look personal, which helps increase engagement. Now, let's collect personalization data. In MailerLite, you can personalize right away if you collected names in the sign-up form. Use merge tags like Hi Sarah instead of Hi there. Always set a fallback, so if no name is entered, it just says Hi friend. You can also create segments based on clicks. For example, if someone clicks on a Learn More link about your course, create a segment for them. Later, you can run an automation specifically for people interested in that product. In Beehiiv, you can take it further with survey forms. Go to Audience, create a survey, and ask simple questions like, what's your main goal right now? Or what type of content do you want more of? Add custom fields to capture the answers. Publish the form and link it inside one of your emails. Then, in your automation, add a condition. If the subscriber filled out the form, send them down a path tailored to their response. If they didn't, send a reminder. This way, you build a richer profile for each subscriber without adding complexity. Step 5. Build essential selling automations. In MailerLite, you can set up cart abandonment. Create a workflow triggered by added to cart but didn't purchase. Add a delay of 1 hour, then send a reminder email. Hey, you left something in your cart. You can add a small incentive like free shipping or a bonus. If they buy, they exit the workflow automatically. MailerLite also lets you edit order confirmation emails. Instead of the default, your order is confirmed, you can add personality, a thank you, and a link to extra resources. In Beehiiv, cart abandonment isn't built in, but you can replicate intent-based follow-ups. For example, if someone clicks a link to your product in a newsletter but doesn't buy, that click can add them to a segment. Then create an automation triggered by joining that segment. Send them a follow-up email with more details or even a special bonus. This works well for upsells too. If someone is engaging heavily with your free content, you can pitch them your premium offer through a triggered automation. Step 6. Personalize and use AI. In MailerLite, you can use merge tags and behavioral segments. For example, send one message to people who clicked a template link and another to people who clicked a course link. That way, your offer feels tailored. MailerLite also has an AI subject line generator. Type in a short description and it'll suggest variations. You can A/B test them to see which performs better. In Beehiiv, the AI tools are built into the editor. You can highlight text and tell it to make it shorter, sharper, or fix grammar. It's handy for polishing without leaving the platform. They also added AI image generation, which can save time if you need simple graphics for your emails. Just don't let AI write your entire email, because it usually comes out generic. Use it as an assistant, not a replacement. Step 7. Scale and keep list. Healthy? MailerLite's free plan caps at 500 subscribers. Once you're hitting that, it's time to upgrade. The paid tiers unlock more automations and give you higher send limits. A smart move is to upgrade right before launching a new product so you can use the advanced triggers. Beehiiv's free plan lets you reach 2,500 subscribers, but automations are limited. To get serious with workflows and monetization, you'll need the Grow plan. Upgrade once you see steady engagement or once you're ready to pitch a paid product. Both platforms need regular list cleaning. Create a segment of inactive subscribers, say people who haven't opened an email in 180 days. Send them a re-engagement campaign. First email, still want to hear from me? Give them a link to click. If they don't click after a week, send a final reminder. If they still don't respond, mark them as inactive. Don't keep sending to them. It hurts your deliverability, and that's the full process. You've seen how to set up automation in MailerLite and Beehiiv side by side, from building your list, to delivering your lead magnet, to writing a welcome sequence, to adding personalization, to creating cart abandonment and upsell automations, to using AI, and finally scaling and cleaning your list. Email is still the highest ROI channel for digital product creators. With the right setup, it runs in the background, builds trust, and sells your products automatically. Now you know how to set it up from start to finish. Which platform would work best for your digital product goals? Beehiiv or MailerLite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.